Yo, Charles, you good? Yo, take this. Yo, Charles, you okay? Charles, yo, take a hit, yo. Come on, Charles. Chill.
That's 6:30. Yeah. You remember that, yo?
Damn, yo, where was I, yo?
What's up, y'all? My name is Charles. Welcome back to Cook and Be Cooked. It's been a while since we've been back, but we're back. And you know, it's pretty early in the morning here. Don't mind my shades. So yeah, we're just gonna do a quick wake and bake session before we start our day, because you know we deserve it. We need to treat ourselves. What is that? Oh, nice.
La Croix.
True. So today we're doing something a little different today. One of our friends is back in town and we're just gonna do a nice wake and bake session for him. Welcome back home.
Thank you, Charles.
Yeah.
So good to be back home.
Facts.
Facts.
Yeah.
Alright, so what are we cooking today? Or you?
What?
What are you cooking today?
I think we're just gonna do some French toast. Yo, I dead forgot what we were making.
Yo, so what happened last night, yo?
Yo, we were chilling with Mary Jane.
Oh, MJ.
And we forgot to get the groceries.
What is this?
Shrooms.
What?
They're mushrooms.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was like, wait, what kind?
So yeah, we were supposed to make some French toast, but we forgot to get.
We flopped.
Yeah.
And we forgot the milk.
Yeah. Fuck, man.
But we're improvising.
I mean, we got a fuckload of eggs.
Yo,
we could
how much
just.
you smoke last night, yo?
Oh.
Yo, Charles, you wanna apologize for making bacon again?
Oh fuck.
Well, what happened?
Yo, literally every episode we've used bacon or some form of pork.
Is that bad?
For what? Vegetarian.
Oh shit. Oh, true.
Yeah, I'm too stoned to notice
Yo, out of
anything.
10. What are you rating out of 10?
10.
You're a 10?
Yeah.
Bro.
And then
Quickly, just do it.
Oh, that's cute.
has to be on
Did
low.
you get this from Amazon?
Yeah.
How much?
You're like $30.
Leave that shit right next to your bed.
No. You can pull Michael Scott, yo.
I like
I like the smell of
I love the smell of crackling bacon. It is
I woke
delicious.
up
It is good for me.
and I cooked my foot.
I cooked my foot. I don't understand how that's hard to make.
Yo, I like your shirt, yo.
Yo, go looks, yo.
Yo, you like Coronas?
Yo, you remember that shit when we went to 7-Eleven
Yeah.
yesterday? Dude,
Yeah.
the lady, my dumbass, we got a fucking 6-pack of Corona. Like,
Why are you wearing this shirt?
I just like the color of the shirt. Like, people are quick to ask, like, yo, is that your favorite beer?
Is it?
No! Like, I just like the color.
Yo,
Corona's good.
What's your favorite beer then?
Definitely Stella right now.
Really?
Yeah. Yo.
Yo, that smells really good.
The bacon?
Yo,
Yeah.
this place is salt, man. Nice.
Woo!
Yeah, we just watching our bacon.
Back on. Yo, I can't close this chair.
What?
I can't close this chair.
Yo, what the fuck, man?
I'm too smacked.
You let me down.
Yo, I'm going. Oh yeah, you tapped out early.
No, I was in the whole time, yo. I
Yeah.
never knocked out.
Oh fuck.
He left after the movie.
I left after the movie.
True.
True.
Oh, what you carrying today, yo?
True.
Oh, yo, you wanna tell the story about True?
True. Yo, so is my boy Justin. But like every time, like you ask him a question, or or he replies to a question on our group chat, it would legit just be true. It would be like the most simplest question, and then he would still say true. Like for example, like I'll be like, yo, what up, bro? He's like, yo, what's up? What's good, dude? Like, yo, what'd you do yesterday? I was like, yo, I got fucking shit-faced hammered last night. And he's like, true? I was like...
Are you cooking alright with the shades on?
Yeah.
What?
The bacon looks mad good, yo.
Yo, it looks bomb, son.
Yo, what you doing there, bro?
Yo, I'm trying to roll this J, man.
Oh, word.
How long has it been? I feel like it's been like
20 minutes.
25
Yeah.
Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna go.
Yeah, I'm taking the bacon out.
Yeah, kid.
I need to discard some of this fat if we're gonna make more bacon.
Drink it, bro.
Yo, just drink it, right?
Wait, alright, yo.
Oh, this is great. Yo, that looks so good.
Don't eat it yet.
Oh.
Yo, the hardest part for me is not eating. Yo, fuck, son.
You want a toast? I'm totally
Wait,
down.
after you finish the eggs, did you already eat the bacon? You already ate the bacon?
Yeah, kid.
Oh,
Oh,
Bro?
shit.
yeah,
How many?
one.
I want like 4 eggs. It's too loose? Yo, tighten me up, man. Yo, tighten me up, man. Don't be scared either, yo. Close that shit.
No.
Oh, shit.
You're comfortable?
Yeah, I am.
Bacon cheers.
Yo, this is so good. Yo, bacon
Cheers.
is legit. Oh, we're gonna make eggs now.
What kind of eggs are making?
Scrambled.
Alright.
Oh, you have butter?
Yeah, right
Right
here.
here.
Oh, yeah, boy.
So it's off right now, and then to turn it on, you just click,
No,
and
I don't
then
know what these are.
and then there.
Yo, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Because I didn't lock it right. And the gas is
Yo, that's crazy.
No, just go for it. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's-
Yes. Trying to do it. It looks kind of gross. But I would still eat it because that actually. Oh, it's mixed with the
No,
grease.
it's looking alright.
Straight up.
Yo, go ahead. Come out. It's better season before, though. Yeah.
Should I do it?
Yeah, just go for it. Tell them when, yo.
Oh, yes, chill. Yo.
Pepper?
Yeah. Oh, chill.
Yo, you need a lot, yo. Yeah. Let's spice that shit up.
More?
Go, yeah, go
Oh,
for
God, I've had it for sure.
it. Be careful with that one, though.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna put it to the side. All right, I put some there. All right.
You like when your eggs are still kind of oily, too? Like, not dry?
I like them a little dry.
A little dry?
I like in all shapes, forms.
Yeah, boy. Oh, that smells really good though. Yo, that garlic powder,
Mhm.
that is so clutch.
What is going on here?
You got the butter ready?
Yeah, the butter's right here, yeah. What? Yeah. A-okay.
You're gonna have to assist me on.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what to do. This is how I want it.
Oh, you're gonna say what to
I'll tell you
do?
what to do, yo.
I bet.
Okay. Go ahead, 2 eggs.
Oh, true.
I feel like we're a line cook right now. Did you put the salt?
How much?
No, just go for it.
Yo, where's your forks?
Pepper, yo. Just 1 dash. I said, oh.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Beat that shit up.
Add the mushrooms and cheese.
Yo, can you do that right? Sir. Thank you.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Oh, watch this.
Keep going. Keep going. Boom.
For real?
No.
Oh.
Oh, that escalated real quick.
Yeah, go ahead.
Did you put garlic powder on yours too?
Yeah, put it in there.
Oh. Is this the most high you've been for an episode?
No.
No.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Burgers, yo. Plenty of bacon.
Ketchup, mayo, salt, pepper. Basically a bacon, egg, and cheese right here.
Basically, man.
Should I like
It's a
drizzle
fucking
it?
bacon, egg, and cheese.
It's up to you, man.
It's you. It's your. Oh, what's your
Scissor.
I'm gonna
Did
drizzle.
you peel it? Wait, did you open it? Open it?
Oh shit.
You put syrup with your ketchup?
Hell yeah.
Yo, that's fucking awesome, dude.
Just go for it. Charles, you good?
You make some really good eggs. Eggs are good? Yeah.
So yeah, we had our eggs 4 different ways. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I think the longest part that took the longest was waiting to eat it. But
yeah, we were too
but yeah.
slack, man.
but yeah, everything came out mad delicious. So
Considering we originally wanted to make French toast,
but you know,
we improvised.
you gotta make do with what you got.
Yep.
So yeah.
Alright, turn it off.
Oh. Shit.
Thanks for watching Cook and Be Cooked. My name is Charles. This is Chris. Yo, thanks for coming through, man. Appreciate it, man.
Same.
Yo, word.
Same.
Word. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oh shit. Alright.
Charles, yo. Come on, man.
Charles made French toast.
Rocket said, get it together.
Come on, yo.
Really clown.